In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the NFL Sunday Ticket Student Plan in 2025 so you can catch every out-of-market Sunday game without breaking the bank. Step 1. Verify your student status. Visit the NFL Sunday Ticket Student Plan page. Click on Get This Deal to begin the sign-up process. You'll be redirected to Sheer ID, a trusted verification service. Follow the prompts to verify your student status. Step 2. Choose your plan. Once verified, you'll return to the YouTube page. The standard price is $119 per year. For an additional $10, you can add NFL Red Zone, bringing the total to $129 per year. Step 3. Complete your purchase. After selecting your plan, proceed to checkout. Enter your payment details and confirm your subscription. Step 4. Start watching. You can watch your games on the YouTube app or the YouTube TV app. Sign in with the same Google account you use during the sign-up process. Important notes. This plan is available to students who are 18 years or older and currently enrolled at an accredited college or university in the United States. You do not need a .edu email address to verify your student status. The plan includes access to all Sunday afternoon out-of-market games broadcast on CBS and FOX. It excludes local, nationally televised, preseason, and postseason games. The student plan is limited to one stream at a time. Your subscription does not auto-renew, so you'll need to sign up again for the next season. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more NFL streaming tips and tutorials.